Welcome to the Creating a Professional Learning Opportunity in Teachpoint tutorial. Our first step is to open the course request form. You log into Teachpoint in the same way that you do when you're going to check your own work at goteachpoint.com. On the left-hand side of your home screen, you'll see a mortar board. It will say PD Tracking when you hover over it. Click that button. It will take you to a new screen. In the center top area of the screen, you will see three tabs. They will say My Activities, Available Events, and Manage Events. Choose Manage Events. Now, move your cursor to the upper right-hand area of your screen where you'll see a green button with the word New and a drop-down menu. Select that button and choose Request to host an event. A course request form will open for you. See the next tutorial for directions on how to complete the course request form.